Hey, I understand that some of you have problems with math, especially things like adding. So I came up with some helpful tips on how to add and make it easier. So my tip number 1 says stack vertically and align the digits from right to left. So the 1 digits are aligned with the other's 1 digit and the 10 digits are aligned and things like that. If you will notice, my numbers are stacked up with the right side aligned. I have a 10 digit in my first number, but my second number doesn't have anything. So I have a tip for that. The tip says, if one number has more digits than the other number, then we can set a 0 in the empty spot as a placeholder. That way everything stays aligned. And then my third tip says this, add from right to left. If we get a 2-digit number but are not finished with the problem, then write the second number down below and the first number above and the 1 digit to the left. So I add 5 plus 4 and I get 9. I can add 1 plus 0 and get 1. So the answer to 15 plus 4 is 19. Let's do another problem. My problem is 135 plus 67. You'll notice my numbers are aligned, but I do not have any number in my hundreds digit. So I'm going to put a 0. That is my placeholder. That's tip number 2. And tip number 3 says, I'm going to add vertically from right to left. 5 plus 7 is 12. But I don't want to keep both numbers here. I'm just going to keep that second number, which is a 2. And the 1 is going to go 1 digit to the left and up above. Now I can add 1 plus 3 plus 6 and get 10. Again, I'm not going to keep both numbers. I'm going to keep the second number. The first number will go up above and to the left. Now I can add vertically on that side and say 1 plus 1 plus 0 and get 2. So the sum of my addition problem, 135 plus 67, is 202. Let's do one more problem like this. This one has more digits going on in it. And I'm going to follow all my rules. They are stacked vertically. So my 1 digits are aligned, my 10 digits are aligned, my hundreds digits are aligned, but down below I don't have anything, so I'm going to put a 0. Now I'm going to add from right to left. 5 plus 5 plus 8 is 18. I'm going to keep my second number and put my first number up top. Then I'm going to add vertically. And 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6 is 12. I'm going to keep my second number, put my first number up top and 1 to the left. Now if I add 1 plus 2 plus 1, I get 4. So the sum of my 3 numbers, 225, 135, and 68, is 428. I hope this little video has helped somebody in some way do better at math and their problems with addition. Thank you for watching.